Assalamu alaikum friends, I'm Ramsha and welcome to Pious Nation. Today's topic is how prayer changes our destiny. Today I've got a short story to share with you all about how powerful a dua can be. So that's one inspiring story of Sufana, a woman navigating the ups and downs of a job hunting. After a lot of struggling, just when she was losing hope, something unimaginable happened. One day, out of blue, she got a job offer that was better than anything she'd hoped for. It was like her prayer had been heard loud and clear, and she was rejoiced and overwhelmed with gratitude. The story shows us that even when things seem hopeless, prayer can turn things around. All one has to do is stay positive, stay hopeful, and keep believing in the power of prayer. Let us quickly see what Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter 2, verse 186 says. And when my servant asks you concerning me, indeed I am near. I respond to the invocation of the supplicant when he calls upon me. So let them respond to me by obedience and believe in me, that they may be rightly guided. This verse of Surah Al-Baqarah beautifully encapsulates the essence of dua. It reminds us that Allah is always near and He is ready to respond to our supplications with His boundless mercy. The Quran emphasizes the importance of dua as a means of seeking assistance and guidance from Allah. As I conclude, I would like to tell you all that let's not make dua as a means of fulfilling our vague desire. We should all understand the meaning behind what we ask for. Like there was this video which I recently watched on Instagram where a man was howling and crying like a baby and asking for his exact words, I quote, money, money, Ya Rab, money. Is this the way humans are asking to Allah? I don't know where we Muslims are going wrong, but this is really not the way to ask Allah or to beg, I will say, for such worldly possessions. It's a shame on us if we have the guts to make mockery on something which is so important in our Islam and a single dua which can actually benefit us. I would just say that may Allah help us learn the way of even asking Him and praying to Him. Thank you for tuning in. May our hearts be filled with the light of faith and may our duas be answered by most merciful. Hit subscribe if you are new to my channel. We'll meet you tomorrow, inshallah, at the same time.